No video call, please. No video call.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Aduh, sayangku.
Hi. What you doing?
What are you doing? Just in shower.
Oh my goodness. Now I understand. I get it.
What?
I get it.
What you get?
What do you think?
How can I?
Yeah. You know nothing?
Nothing. I'm so innocent.
I'm so innocent, huh? Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to make this hole. But I guess I cannot do it. Alright then.
Why?
Let's just accept it. I cannot do it.
Nothing is dead. Everything you can do it.
Masa?
Because
Really?
because the total we got 5 in our birthday. It's really big blessings. We'll never be failure. We will try. Definitely we'll do it.
We will try until we can do it, huh?
Of course.
Oh. Well, unless I don't want to do it anymore.
Wait 10 minutes, I'll call back you. I will take my salah.
What salah?
Zuhur.
Suhur? You haven't done that? You haven't done that?
Yeah, I was outside.
Okay then. Include me in your dua, okay?
See you after 10 minutes.
Okay. Akhirnya bisa kulubangi tadi. Harus banget berada di ruangan tertutup ya, sehingga kita bisa melakukannya. Kalau di ruangan terbuka ternyata tidak bisa. Seberapapun kita mencoba, berapa kali pun kita mencoba, tidak akan bisa. Sesungguhnya manusia takkan bisa menikmati surga tanpa ikhlas di hatinya. Okay, let's go plan something. Do you guys remember these guys? So I'm gonna kidnap one of them again. Siapa yang pantas yang bisa ku andalkan? Bukan rayuan, bukan pujian. Yang aku butuhkan cinta padanya. Aku pilih kamu. Aku pilih kamu. Okay. Let's plan you, baby. I think I don't need to water you after this, because this is rainy season. The rain will water you, like probably tonight, or I don't know, tomorrow, like literally anytime. So you will be living in here independently without your mom anymore, without the part of your mom anymore because you are an adult. There. That's it. Bye bye, Mama. Halo, assalamualaikum.
Cheers.
Waalaikumsalam, handsome. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Oh my goodness. You sound so handsome, baby. Acha. Gee. Are you really handsome?
Yeah, thanks to Allah, whatever He has made for me. Everyone is curious to see me.
What do you mean, everyone?
Even customers.
Customers? Customers want to see you?
I usually use the mask, right?
Oh, yeah. So, do you wear your mask right until to the customer's house? And you talk to them
Yeah.
in the mask?
Yeah, after I go inside, after that I remove it.
Oh, I didn't know that. I feel insecure. You know why?
Why? Why?
Because I know nothing about you.
Oh, sure.
Like, this is a really new information for me. Every day I reveal new secret from you.
Yeah, it should be.
Should be why though?
Yeah, every day it will be mysterious for you to know me.
Really?
And you will help me more than before.
Help me?
Love me more than
Love
before.
me? Oh my god. Yes, I love you. It seems like I'm the only one who love you here.
Where?
In here. In this. What is this? What is this place?
What?
Is this a relationship? Or am I the only one who falling in love alone?
No.
What no?
If you're falling alone, why I will call back you?
Call back me.
Whatever you give me, I will give a little more than you.
Little more. What is that?
Love, care.
Okay. Never mind.
Why should you mind? You should be think always positive, baby.
What positive? If you don't even love me.
Positive. I love you, John.
No, you don't.
And you don't?
You don't. You don't love me at all. You only say that because I demand you to say that.
Yeah, of course you asked me before. Whenever I ask, you should say to me, huh? Okay? I told okay.
What okay?
Whatever you make me,
Make you
I'm
what?
here with you.
Make you what?
Make me to love you more.
When?
Right? From yesterday night?
Yesterday no. Yesterday. Oh my god. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Forgive me. Ya? Apa sih? Hah? You know what? I have to go. I'll tell you later. Bye. I was calling him back, but guess what? He is in another call. How dare he in another call? I will fight with him about it later. With whom? Did you take the call earlier? I literally would ask that. Alright then, let me just do it alone without talking to him. Here she is. She's calling me back now. Waalaikumsalam. Where have you been? Calling another chick?
My uncle called to me.
Your
My
uncle.
called to me.
Your uncle, huh? Not another girl?
Why girl will call to me? If they call, I not pick up the call.
Really?
I'm so busy, you know that?
You're so busy. You're so busy, huh?
I don't have the time for the strangers or the friends. I just have the time for only for the things that I really wanted. Yeah, and he told that he will come on Tuesday or Wednesday in Ballari. And we was talking about the boards, the advertisement board.
The books?
Board, advertisement board.
Oh, the
For the
board.
shop name.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
And I also asked him, what about if we cut in radium and we apply on the sheet? He said it will be a little expensive. Why you want to spend that money on that? Will not do it.
Repeat, baby.
Then I told, okay, then. Huh?
Repeat, baby. What did you say?
I told, can we have the radium cutting on the board of the metal body? And we can stickering on that my top name. And he said it will be expensive. Why you want to spend the money on that? Just use flux.
What is lux?
Flux means advertisement board. It long lasts only for 2 years. And later on the color gets shed.
Yeah.
And he said that his daughter got new baby,
Oh, alhamdulillah.
newborn baby, yesterday.
Yesterday.
I told
Alhamdulillah. Such a risk. Granddaughter?
Yeah. He said that I came there for the marriage before 15 days, but I not have much time to come to you. I told Acha.
Acha?
And he said, yeah. It's okay, I told him. Do not think much. I will come next week, inshallah.
Is there next wedding?
No, he just come for any kind of work here in Ballari. And also, he will meet me.
Yeah, he will meet you.
Are you on laptop?
No.
What are you mixing there?
Mixing what?
What are you mixing? Mixing or like getting the sound from background?
It's not mixing, baby.
Are you outside?
Yeah, I'm outside.
What are you doing?
You really want to know?
Why not?
Oh, actually, I'm recording our conversation.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Astaghfirullah.
And you will watch it on YouTube someday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Allah, give me sabar.
Why? You don't want being recorded or what?
If I know that you are recording, I will be prepared what the words I should use it.
What?
Yeah, I'll be more polite,
What?
more
What?
romantic.
You're already polite. You are already polite anyway. But I will not.
Uh-huh.
I will not give the subtitle because I don't even know what were you talking about, and I don't even know what is the meaning of those conversation that you're talking about the board.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, about the board. What is that in Indonesian? I don't even know. I don't even know how to uh, write that properly. About
Advertisement board.
oh yeah, advertisement board. Itulah pokoknya.
Advertisement. Advertisement.
Yeah, but what kind of, say again, baby?
Advertisement.
No, yeah, okay. And then what did you say again?
What I say? It's a name of my profession and also what the things I repair and fix.
Yeah, but what kind of ads again? The box again?
Box?
So-
Advertisement. It's a board, not a box.
Oh yeah, ball.
Name board.
What? Cable?
Name. Name.
Okay. And then what did you say again?
Name board. It called as advertisement board.
Yeah, and then what did you say again?
What I said again?
You said something like the kind of ads board. Like you said that it's cheap, it's expensive, something like that. I don't even know what is that.
Yeah, it made with iron, totally.
With iron.
It will be little like yeah, and the letters comes in radium, white or red radium color.
Radium? What is radium?
Yeah, radium is a sticker. It comes with metallic. You just apply some light on that, it will get lasting.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Radium sticker. It always the traffic police apply that radium stickers on the signal boards.
Signal board. What is that again? Astaghfirullah.
Signal boards, right, left, straight.
Signal. Oh, signal board. Astaghfirullahaladzim. God. And then what did you say again?
What?
I have no idea.
It's called as radium.
I don't know.
Yeah, I not have that material. If I have, I can show you example.
Alright.
It comes with a big long sheet and you have one operating machine on that. You have to fix the letters in the computer and you have to print that, and the letters has been cut in that sheet. A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever you type in the computer, it comes. And later on, after the cutting, they will put one sellotape on that and remove all the words, and step by step they will apply on the board.
Okay, I think this video will reveal how stupid I am. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.